Today's Q&A comes from Tom Rogers, 4828. I chose this one because I have been meaning to address a particular concept of Taoist philosophy for some time now. Like so many, Tom is tired. He's been waiting a long time for all of the predictions of extraterrestrials, medbeds, and everything that comes along with the much-awaited shift. I too become weary, but my spiritual training has brought me great strength. Today, Tom's question gives me the opportunity to talk to you about the Taoist concept of Wu Wei, or effortless effort, which has brought me much comfort in dealing with difficult situations or times. If you think my videos are helpful, please share them with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos that I release. And if you'd like to further support the channel, I'm always grateful for a small super thanks tip under the 3 dots below the video. Okay, so let's take a look at Tom's comment and how it might relate to what so many of us are going through.
I have given up on the idea of any of this happening. I know that big stuff is happening in the world, but it is all outside of my ability to influence it. I can prepare and be ready for some of the things that I have heard about, like medbeds, but until they are here, they are not. I have realized that I can only live my life based upon the here and now of this moment. I hope a lot of this amazing stuff comes to pass, but until then I am doing what I know how to do to bring abundance and good health into my life.
Thank you, Tom. Sorry for the delay, but I'd rather not respond to some comments until I have time to focus on them. I understand what you are saying, and that is a very healthy way to deal with the uncertainty ahead. Have you ever heard of the concept of Wu Wei? It is a Taoist concept that translates to effortless effort or effortless alignment with the way. You don't have to be rah-rah, you don't have to ever say a word. Wu Wei does not mean inactivity, but refers to avoiding unnecessary struggle or overexertion. For example, a skilled musician or athlete exemplifies Wu Wei when they perform effortlessly, guided by practice and intuition rather than overthinking or forcing their actions. Wu Wei is about letting go of control. It emphasizes humility and relinquishing the desire to dominate or control everything. By letting go, one often achieves better results because they are not resisting the natural flow. Wu Wei can also be applied by reducing stress and anxiety through acceptance and mindfulness, by focusing on the present moment, and by acting in harmony with one's circumstances. A leader practicing Wu Wei would inspire and guide subtly rather than through coercion or excessive effort, letting others flourish naturally. This is the way of the Tao, so don't worry if your enthusiasm isn't what it once was. Go with the flow, riding the ups and downs like a cork on the ocean. This is a way of life that has brought me much peace and control over my emotions. Disclosure will occur at some point. I understand the urgency for those that are in pain or dying. The schedule is out of our control from one standpoint, but what we can do is become a world capable of such sophisticated technology. You are on the path, my friend. You are contributing your honesty, and you are raising your frequency by living in the moment and creating a life of health and abundance. I'll leave you with a quote from Lao Tzu to think about. The master does nothing, yet leaves nothing undone.